हाँ, welcome students. Lecture number 4 of physics class 9th. In this lecture, we will discuss about equations of motion. Students, here there are three equations of motion. First, second, third. Equation of motion we can derive by two ways. Number one, mathematical method, and number two, graphical method. So I would like to derive these three equations by both way to you. So see here, first of all, first equation is V is equal to U plus AT. Second is S is equal to UT plus 1 upon 2 AT square. And second equation is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, where A is acceleration, U is initial velocity, V is final velocity, T is time, and S is distance. Students, these equations are given by scientist Newton. In next chapter, we will study three laws of equation of motion, three laws of motion especially. But here there are three equations of motion given by Sir Newton. These equations we will derive, and with the help of these equations we will solve different type of numericals. Okay, so be ready. Now first equation here to derive mathematical derivation of first equation of motion, that is V is equal to U plus T. Let anybody start with initial velocity U and it attains final velocity V after time t. Any object which initial velocity is u, and after time t, the object प्राप्त कर लेता है velocity v. So by acceleration, acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. Students, it is clear that body is accelerated, means velocity is increasing. If body is accelerated, then acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken, or we can A is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon timing t, or A is equal to, we can write here, V minus U upon t. Okay students, now doing cross multiplication, AT is equal to V minus U, we can write here, and if we transpose minus U to this side, we can write here U plus AT is equal to V. Or finally students, we obtained V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the student derivation of first equation of motion. So write this, and if question is asked to derive V is equal to U plus AT or first equation of motion, then you will derive by this way. Please note. Students, here now we are in second equation of motion. Now students, derivation of second equation of motion, that is S is equal to UT plus 1 upon 2 AT square. So students, here we want to derive this second equation of motion. So first of all, we will write that let a body has initial velocity u and uniform acceleration a, after time t it attains final velocity v. ओके कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है या कोई बॉडी है जिसका इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u है, u वेलोसिटी से जा रहा है एंड t टाइम बाद आफ्टर टाइम t उसकी जो नई वेलोसिटी हो जाती है फाइनल वेलोसिटी वो v हो जाती है एंड इस बीच जब वो जाएगा तो एक डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा एंड डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय ऑब्जेक्ट और बॉडी इज s. हियर स्टूडेंट्स s डिनोट्स डिस्टेंस. Then we have two velocities, initial and final. Then we can find average velocity. Average means initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2, which can be written as average velocity is equal to v plus u, u plus v upon 2. Now there is velocity, and students remember in this case when we want to derive the formula, speed or velocity both become same. We can use term velocity or speed in this case both. So distance covered by body, when body is running or from changing its speed from initial to final after time t, then certainly body will cover some distance, and distance covered by body is equal to speed into time. Here speed is also called velocity in this case. Now putting the value of velocity, this is called velocity, which is average velocity. Okay, so now we put u plus v upon 2 into timing t. Distance is shown by s, students please. S is here distance. Now from first equation we know v is equal to u plus at from first equation here, students. Now we will put the value of v here from equation first, then s is equal to u plus, और ये जो आपका v है इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ से लेंगे हम तो रखेंगे u प्लस ए टी अपॉन 2 इंटू टी. तो स्टूडेंट दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ v. नाउ आगे हम सॉल्व करेंगे. s इज इक्वल टू 2u प्लस ए टी इंटू टी अपॉन 2 स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई t इन बोथ द टर्म्स. s इज इक्वल टू 2ut plus a t square upon 2. So here students we have s is equal to 2ut plus a t square upon 2. Now this can be written as here s is equal to 2ut upon 2 plus a t square upon 2. 2 to cancel out here, students. So we have s is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. Students, this is the second equation of motion which I have derived it, and it is completed. It has been completed to derive. Now this is the derivation of second equation of motion, where you know, students, s denotes distance, u is initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration. So please note this derivation of second equation of motion, which is important. Okay. Okay. Now students, here derivation of third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Before deriving this final equation, students, you know we have two equations already, first and second. Now with the help of these two equations we will derive third equation. From first, v is equal to u plus at. We can write here v minus u is equal to at, or t is equal to v minus u upon a. So student, we have obtained the value of t from first equation as v minus u upon a. Now putting this value, putting the value of t in equation second, we have a second equation as s is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. स्टूडेंट्स, जहाँ भी t है हम क्या रखेंगे, ये t की वैल्यू. बिकॉज वी वांट टू एलिमिनेट टी, क्योंकि थर्ड इक्वेशन में कहीं भी टी नहीं है तो हमें टी को कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वी यू एंड ए. तो वी कैन राइट हियर u अंडर ब्रैकेट v माइनस u अपॉन a ब्रैकेट क्लोज प्लस 1/2 a and here under bracket v minus u upon a whole square is done. Now in next step u and bracket में v minus u upon a plus here a into v minus u whole square upon here a square or 2 1/2 into a into v minus u whole square and this is after opening bracket it becomes a square. So students here a cancel out from this square. Now u and under bracket v minus u upon a here plus here v minus u whole square upon a upon 2a. Here student we can write after taking LCM. Now students here finally take LCM. 2a is LCM here. Here it becomes 2u under bracket v minus u plus 2a 1 is 2a only v minus u whole square. Now here s is equal to student it is continue s. Now s is equal to here we can take v minus u common. So v minus u if we take common then it becomes 2u plus here only v minus u 1 times upon 2a. Now students finally or not finally we can write here s is equal to v minus u and in next bracket 2u plus v minus u and upon 2a. Okay students, now write this and students from this step now 2u minus u that is becomes u. So we can write here s is equal to v minus u and in second bracket 2u minus u that is u and plus v upon 2a. Now s is equal to students here v minus u or b plus u it becomes v square minus u square. Here we use formula a plus b and a minus b इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. हमने इस फार्मूले को यूज किया है यहाँ पे. नाउ डूइंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी स्क्वायर माइनस यू स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2as. ट्रांसपोजिंग माइनस ए स्क्वायर टू राइट हैंड साइड वी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2as प्लस यू स्क्वायर और वी कैन राइट हियर वी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2as स्टूडेंट. दिस इज द derivation of third equation of motion students, where remember v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is acceleration and s is distance here. So students see these were the three equations of motion जो हमने डिराइव किया है एंड आप इसको लर्न करें, हाउ टू डिराइव सीखें एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपको हम बताएंगे हाउ टू डिराइव all three equation of motion by graphical method. Till then take screenshot and subscribe the channel जिससे आप आगे आने वाले सभी वीडियोज़ पा सकें. स्टूडेंट्स ओके, थैंक्स स्टूडेंट्स.